Hi, I'm Kane with Baratza support team, and today I'll be walking you through how to brew a Kalita Wave with the Encore ESP. Let's get into it. The Encore ESP has 40 steps. The first 20 specifically calibrated for espresso, and 21 through 40 are dedicated to other brewing methods such as pour over, drip coffee, and French press. I'll be showing you how to brew using the latter range. For a Kalita Wave brewer, we will start at setting 28. You want to make sure you purge for a few seconds before grinding to ensure your grind adjustment is reflected. Using a 1:16 brew ratio, 20 grams of coffee will require 320 grams of water. We recommend using a good quality water for your brew, as this is a major factor in the final cup. We're going to set the kettle to 205 degrees Fahrenheit for this recipe. Once your kettle comes up to temperature, proceed to wet the filter and warm the cup. Empty the water from the vessel. Place your brewer and vessel on the scale. Tare and add in your coffee grounds. Even out the grounds, tare your scale. Create a dimple or divot in the center of the grounds, then start your timer. Pour around 50 grams of water and allow the coffee to expel carbon dioxide in the bloom phase for 30 seconds to a minute. At this point, you can introduce slight agitation if that's your cup of tea. After bloom, continue pouring in concentric circles, 50 grams at a time, every 30 seconds until we reach our final weight of 320 grams of water. If you like, you can agitate the brewer slightly between pours. I find that agitation works best towards the beginning of the brew. The brew time should be complete around 3 to 4 minutes. Remove your brewer, swirl your coffee around, and take in the wonderful aromas. Serve into a cup of your choice, and enjoy. Cheers!